Some homes are designed to be lived in. 120 Tuckahoe Drive is designed to be experienced. With a reverse floor plan, the living spaces rise toward the views, so the best moments of the day happen right where you gather. The kitchen was completely reimagined, all wrapped in fresh, modern coastal finishes that feel clean, calm, and timeless. One bedroom on the top level offers privacy and convenience, paired with a beautifully remodeled full bathroom. Downstairs, 4 additional bedrooms, a bonus den, and 2 full bathrooms create space for family, guests, and weekends that stretch just a little longer. And the mid-level covered deck offers the perfect cozy escape after a day at the beach. The ground level was designed to perfection with a hot and cold outdoor shower and farm-style sink. A new Latham saltwater pool elevates the fenced-in side yard into a private oasis made for lawn games and laid-back afternoons. And there is thoughtful storage everywhere, an oversized garage space, and a workshop area. Tuckahoe delivers true resort-style living. Tennis courts, a community pool, private beach access, and soundside parking with a pier and gazebo offer unforgettable sunsets. And just 1 mile north, the town of Duck offers dining, shopping, the Soundfront Boardwalk, seasonal concerts, and local favorites. Close to everything, yet tucked into peaceful coastal serenity. Modern updates, ocean views, resort amenities. This is Duck living done right.